Hi, welcome to the tutorial on how to create PayPal account. PayPal is an online payment platform. It is the fastest, safer way to send money, make an online payment, receive money, or set up a merchant account. You go to your web browser, type in the search box PayPal, then you click it. Double click this first link, then click sign up. Then you can click personal account or business account. You just click the personal account, click personal account, then click next. Then you fill your email, your legal first name, legal name, last name, then you create password and confirm it. Then you click next. Fill your street address, your zip code, your mobile number, date of birth. Then from here, you just enter your debit or credit card number. Select your card type, Master, Visa, American Express, then expiring date, security code, then you link your card or you link a bank instead. That's how to create your PayPal account. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link your PayPal account to your e-commerce site. Thank you for watching. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, click on that like button for more for notification and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next